Here we're up in northeast Thailand near the Thai, Lao and Burmese borders. These tribal communities that we're working with are very disadvantaged. They have very little opportunities to education or work opportunities.
A lot of the girls are trafficked from up this part of Thailand into the sex industry, and some of them in this school have actually been rescued from that.
This is actually a school, it's a training centre, and it's a training centre for teenage girls because there's no formal education after the age of about 13, 14 for tribal communities. In this training centre, they learn agriculture, some basic business skills, and sometimes the arts.
What I'm teaching them in this series of arts projects is observational drawing from nature. And apart from the drawing skills, I was hoping to help them learn to identify plants and to be able to register and record the plants that they're seeing in their area. So that was a very transferable skill that they could apply to their agricultural studies.